Hi guys, remember me? Velavi from 3 years ago, back in the day. We are back at it. I'm here at Mimi's salon. So it's been a little bit, you guys might notice. The dreads have been growing a lot. We gotta work on that base. We gotta work on making this happen again. Put them under control, this whole madness. But it's looking still amazing. Very happy with all the procedure that we have gone through, all the journey, and I'm very, very excited to be back. Now, Mimi's gonna be working on this, making things work again, okay? So we're doing a little bit of retwisting, we're doing the base, and then we're trying to make these things look tight, all right? So if you're looking for a place to be at, wow, it's been 3 years. So where else can you go if you don't go to the people that has treated you so well and been so professional since day one? It's Mimi Hair Salon. Come to the store, man. You can't miss out. Wow, now I'm feeling like I don't even want to take pictures when I was looking like before. Wow, thank you so much, Mimi. Honestly, this is true proof that we got people here that knows exactly what they're doing. You guys saw the video when I was looking like before? Insane. Insane. It looks beautiful. Oh my God, let me turn it around. This side or what side? This side. Are you recording? Yeah. Oh, okay. Hey guys, this is how the after looks. So neat. When I saw myself in the mirror, I couldn't believe it. I was like, Mimi got some miraculous hands, guys. So please, if you're looking for a place, if you're looking to tighten them up, if you're looking for designs and style, if you're looking just to give yourself a twist in your look, this is the place to be. So don't miss out. Mimi Dreadlocks. Let's go. Only appointments, okay?